Hi everyone. In this video, I am going to show how to create a study guide using Google AI Notebook LM. The very first thing that we need to do is we need to create a notebook. I'm going to click on create notebook here. Once you click on it, you have to upload the documents. If you have a PDF file with you, you can upload the file directly into this, or if you want to create a study guide from an article, you can also do that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to this particular blog. There is this nice blog called 7 Things Gen Z Employees Should Not Say to Their Bosses. I would like to create a study guide from this article. What I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this and I'm going back to Notebook LM and scroll down, you see an option called website here. Click on website and you have to simply paste the link here. Okay, once you do that, click on insert. So once you click on insert, Google AI Notebook LM will analyze the information from this particular website or blog. So the information is ready now. It's ready. So if you see here on the right hand side of the screen at the bottom, you see study guide, briefing document, FAQ, frequently asked questions. You have two options here. If you have time, you can go ahead and write the prompt here and it is going to give all the details. Or if you are a beginner and if you have just started learning Notebook LM, Google Notebook LM has already given 4 cool options here. The first one is study guide, second one is briefing document, third one is frequently asked questions, and the last one is timeline. So if you want to create a study guide from this particular article, maybe you want to refer back to this information later. Now you want to create a study guide for this. All you need to do is click on study guide. So once you click on it, if you see here, it says generating based on one source. So it is creating a study guide from this particular article. So in a few seconds, the study guide will be ready. See, if you see now, it is ready. If you click on it, see, it is ready. What is the timeless tradition of workplace moral panic as described in this article? So this is the information. How does the article explain the difference in Gen Z's approach to work compared to older generations? So these are all the important details obtained from this particular article. Okay, now let me go back. So what you can do is you can save this document. You can save this document and you can save this document as PDF or Word file, and at any point in time if you want to refer back to this document, you can do that. Now let's go back to Studio. Let's go back once again. Now we have checked study guide. Here is the second option, which is briefing document. If you click on briefing document, what happens is it is going to create a nice document which is going to brief all the important details. It is not going to give complete information, but it is going to give the important details mentioned in this particular document. Maybe you have to attend a meeting in 30 minutes, or maybe you need to give presentation in 1 hour. In this case, you don't have to go through a lot of details. You just need a briefing document so that you can explain all the important points. So the briefing document is already created. So if you click on it, it is going to give all important details from this particular article. See the main themes. The workplace moral panic is cyclical. Generational context shapes work ethic and expectation. So these are all the important details. Most important facts. Critics of Gen Z echo past generational criticism. So these are all the important details. You can also save them, and if you want to give a presentation or something, or you have some meeting, then you can give these details. Okay, now let's go to the last one. Maybe you are a student. And you are preparing for some exam for some specific topic. Then what you can do is you can click on FAQ and it is going to create frequently asked questions from this document. So in a minute it is going to create a frequently asked questions. See, it is already created. So if you click on it, It is going to give all the frequently asked questions from this particular document. What is the core issue addressed in this article regarding Gen Z and the workplace? How does the article contextualize the current perception of Gen Z in the workplace? So these are all the frequently asked questions. So you can also prepare for examination or something from this. Alright, so this is a very important feature that you can use directly from NotebookLM. So if you are used to these options, then you can, then the next stage is writing some prompts, and if you want some very specific details, then you can prompt here. You can give a prompt or a statement and you can look for specific answers. Alright, I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Bye bye.